হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, আই এম প্রিয়া। ওয়েলকাম টু আওয়ার চ্যানেল ই বেঙ্গল। লাস্ট দিন আমি তোমাদের বায়োকেমিক্যাল সাইকেল পড়িয়েছিলাম। আজকে তার কিছু কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্সার্স দেখব। লেটস গেট স্টার্টেড। First is nitrogen cycle. What is nitrogen cycle? The series of processes by which nitrogen and its different forms are circulated and interconverted in nature with the help of living organisms is called nitrogen cycle. Second, importance of nitrogen cycle. First point, enriching soil for the cultivation. Second point, allowing plants and animals to use nitrogen by converting by atmospheric nitrogen to NH3 and NO3 minus. Third point, helping the synthesis of some biomolecules like amino acid, nucleic acid and chlorophyll. Fourth point, decomposers which clean the environment. Third question, what is the impact of nitrogen cycle on humans? Human activity releases excess nitrogen into the environment, eventually disturbing the balance of nitrogen in its different reservoirs in two possible ways. One, burning of fossil fuel, two, use of N2 containing fertilizer. Now coming to the second cycle, carbon cycle. What is carbon cycle? The circulation of carbon on earth in which atmospheric CO2 is converted to organic nutrients through photosynthesis and is again converted back to the inorganic state by respiration, decay, combustion. The atmosphere, the ocean, vegetation, rocks and soil forms the major carbon reserve of our planet. Next question, who discovered the carbon cycle? Antoine Lavoisier and Joseph Priestley discovered the carbon cycle in the 18th century, which was later popularized by Humphrey Davy. Third question, importance of carbon cycle. Maintain balance of carbon in nature. Carbon cycle helps to sustain life on earth. Carbon forms an integral component of protein, lipid and DNA, acting as a blanket over the planet and controlling the temperature of the earth. Fourth question, how do humans affect the carbon cycle? Human activities can interfere with the carbon cycle in two possible ways. Number one, combustion of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum and natural gas. Number two, indiscriminate cutting of trees or deforestation. Excessive cutting trees increases the CO2 level in the atmosphere, which raises the temperature of earth. This is one of the primary reasons for the negative greenhouse effects and global warming. Now coming to the third cycle, phosphorus cycle. What is phosphorus cycle? Biogeochemical processes showing the movement of phosphorus and its different forms in nature with the help of living organisms is called phosphorus cycle. Second, importance of phosphorus cycle. Number one, acts as essential components of DNA and RNA. Number two, it is an essential component of our bone and the enamel of mammalian teeth. Number three, essential components of the phospholipids present in the cell membrane. Number four, forms the exoskeleton structure of insects. Number five, functions as an buffering agent to maintain a steady physiochemical condition of the body. Question number 3, how do humans affect the phosphorus cycle? Number 1, using of phosphate containing fertilizers. Number 2, cutting down of tropical rainforest. Number 3, spilling of phosphate during transportation. Number 4, leaching of phosphorus from households and industries into the water bodies. Now coming to the fourth question, phosphorus cycle is different from nitrogen cycle and carbon cycle because P cycle does not include an atmospheric component as phosphorus and it is not available in nature, whereas nitrogen cycle and carbon cycle occurs using nitrogen and carbon in the atmosphere. তো আজকে আমাদের এই টপিকটা শেষ হলো। তোমাদের যদি বুঝতে অসুবিধা হয় ডেসক্রিপশন বক্সে PDF দেওয়া আছে, তোমরা সেখান থেকে ডাউনলোড করে পড়তে পারো। যদি তোমাদের ভালো লাগে তাহলে চ্যানেলটিকে লাইক, কমেন্ট, শেয়ার অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলো না। বেল আইকনে অল নোটিফিকেশন অন করে রাখো যাতে পরবর্তী ভিডিও এলে আগে তোমাদের কাছে সেটা পৌঁছায়। দেখা হচ্ছে আবার একটা নতুন ভিডিও নিয়ে। ততদিন ভালো থেকো, সুস্থ থেকো, স্টে টিউনড। থ্যাংক ইউ।